Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariel Patrice. So I just had a 28th birthday, and for my birthday I wanted to transform my entire room, make it more bloggy, YouTubey, whatever the word that you want to call it. I have been seeing all this inspiration on Pinterest and Instagram, and I figured it's time to just do my room. So I did it as a birthday gift for myself, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. So stay tuned and see a video clip of me and my best friend and my dad going to IKEA, picking up some Billy bookcases, and then at the end I'm going to show you my entire bedroom makeover. My dad's car. Don't. Dad is in the back. We got all the stuff back there.
Let's go.
Are we good? We made it out the parking spot.
Look, don't do that to me, okay? When you get home safely, I need. Yes,
Look, you don't let nobody touch your car, do nothing, so I'm tripping right now. Okay guys, let's take a look into my bedroom. I love how everything turned out. It just looks amazing. It is so spacious in here. Everything is laid out perfectly. I'm in love. This is my bed. This is my new little reading nook area. It's just so cozy and comfy. I love this area so much. It's my cute little Kate Spade bag, my ottoman, chair, fur pillow, of course. I love this little book area. This little desk is old. These pictures are old. I just rehung them up to match this little reading nook area. Love how this turned out. I moved my mirror over here. It's next to my bed, next to the desk. A little fur rug, of course, to go with it. My new desk area. Always use a wall calendar. This is what keeps me on task monthly. Love how this whole thing turned out. It's amazing. Love this desk. Invest in yourself. That is my monthly reminder. Faux flowers are a must. Those are my Bible and the books that I'm currently reading. Love how this desk turned out. It's very spacious. My acrylic chair goes perfectly. The legs match. That desk is from Amazon. It's linked below. Yeah, I just love how this turned out. And then my jewelry hanger is also from Amazon. This is old, but I still use it every single day. All my statement jewelry fits perfectly on here. Love how this looks. Statement jewelry everywhere. You can never have too much jewelry, guys. Let's be honest. So it just hangs on the back of my door. That is my closet door. Oh, and this beautiful clothing rack is from Amazon. I love how this turned out. This is my vision board. I'm gonna change it yearly. I got a corkboard one because it's just easier to manage. My new clothes from Old Navy. I'm thinking about doing a try-on session with that, so they're hanging on there. Then I just added a little bit of pictures to the bottom of my clothing rack for a little decor. Yes, the struggle is real, but so is God. These are some books that I'm reading, cookbooks, my Like to Know It book, and my Polaroid camera, of course. I've got my belt and my favorite coffee cup, my letter board, and these are my flowers for my birthday. My godmom and my best friend and god sister all hooked me up with beautiful flowers. So yeah, I love how this clothing rack turned out. It is the perfect decoration spot. I think it looks amazing. Next, we have my fabulous shoe wall. These bookcases are from IKEA. They are the Billy bookcases. I just put 3 together, but I love how this turned out. My shoes are not in any particular order. I just did whatever looked right, but it's just beautiful. I love how this turned out. So I've had some bookcases from Target and some from Walmart, but these IKEA ones just look phenomenal. This time around, I put some purses in there to give it a little more sass, and I love how it fits. All of the shelves, of course, are adjustable, so I just adjusted it however I needed it to be, and it's perfect. My cute little keep ball up top, my Louis and Gucci boxes, of course, because a girl needs to keep her boxes. The rest of my shoes. These are more like my wild shoes that I have on this side, my Vegas shoes, all of the above, my sparkly heels. These shoes really show my personality, guys. If anybody knows me knows I love shoes, and I show all my personality with my shoes and bags. I love how this turned out, though. It's just beautiful. I've seen a lot of bloggers and stuff post their stuff like this, and I've always wanted my room to look like this, and I finally just did it, and it looks amazing. Like I said, the clothing rack is from Amazon, and the bookcases are from IKEA. I will link them all below, but I love how it turned out. It looks amazing. My room is ginormous, very spacious. I told my best friend I could break dance in there. This is the view from my reading nook area, very large. It's just so cozy in here. I just love how it turned out. And this is the view from the back corner, so you can see my desk and my little reading area, my calendar, mirror. I just love it. So yeah, this is my new beautiful room. I hope you guys love this room and loved what I did with the place. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, that is a wrap for my new bedroom makeover tour. I hope you guys loved it as much as I loved putting this thing together. It was such a fun vlog to do. I'm new to this vlog thing, so I'm just learning as I go. If you guys have any suggestions to help me, please feel free to comment. And like I said, if you have any questions below of anything that I've bought, comment below and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Can't wait to do the next video for you guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm just kind of winging it, but I'm enjoying it. So see you guys next time.